Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you that how you can turn on or turn off passcode on your iPhone. What you need to do is just go to the settings, and after going to settings you need to swipe up and you need to find Face ID and passcode. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, as in my case I have already turned on the passcode, so that's why it's asking me the passcode. I need to enter the passcode and it will show me the screen like this. If your phone doesn't have the Face ID, the only option that will show you here is the passcode. You need to tap on it. Just swipe up and you see that there is an option of turn passcode off. If your passcode is already off and you want to enable it, here it has written turn passcode on. You need to press it down and turn passcode off. It will ask you for your Apple account. You need to put your Apple account and then it will automatically turn off the passcode. And if in case you want to turn on the passcode, you just need to tap on here the turn passcode on. It will ask you the passcode you want to set it, and thus afterwards your passcode will be setted. So that's how you can actually turn on a passcode on your iPhone or turn off the passcode in your iPhone. I hope this video helped out in turning off or on your passcode on your iPhone.